Now we are going to see about the explanation for question number 30, which is asked in the UPSC examination 2017. The question is, Mediterranean Sea is a border of which of the following countries? The options provided to us were Jordan, Iraq, Lebanon and Syria. Here we know that the nations like Lebanon and Syria are the two nations which share the boundary with the Mediterranean Sea, whereas the Jordan as well as the Iraq does not share the boundary with this Mediterranean Sea. So the correct answer is option C, 3 and 4 only. Now let us see the explanation for this question. What you are seeing is the eastern side map of the Mediterranean Sea. In this map, you can clearly see that the Syria is sharing the boundary with Mediterranean Sea at this point, and it is the Lebanon nation, and Lebanon is also having the boundary with Mediterranean Sea, whereas the countries like Iraq as well as the Jordan is not having the boundary with the Mediterranean Sea. As a result, the correct answer to this question is option C, 3 and 4 only. That is, the Jordan and Syria are the only nations which were sharing the boundary with the Mediterranean Sea. Now let us see what is the reason for having this question in UPSC examination 2017. In the last few years, the Islamic State terrorism is on the news often. So the refugees in the Islamic State region, especially from the nations like Syria and Iraq, were trying to move out of their home location. And these people were using the Mediterranean Sea route to go to the European nation or enter into the European nation. During that time of transportation, they used the illegally transport mode. As a result, most of the time their boat were capsized in this Mediterranean Sea and a lot of deaths have been taken place. So that might be one of the important reasons for choosing this Mediterranean Sea question in this UPSC examination 2017. And then one more important point you have to know regarding Mediterranean Sea is it is one of the important locations for the transportation. Here Suez Canal is one of the important transportation mode, and then the Strait of Gibraltar is also present adjacent to the Mediterranean Sea, and the Strait of Bosphorus is also one of the important location which is around the Mediterranean Sea for the transportation. So these were all the important points which make the Mediterranean Sea one of the important region in the geographical location. As a result, we are having it in the question.